You see a smart home and convenient lifestyle. But you don't need to see my work to advance smart IoT applications. You see a comfortable and well-managed society. But you don't need to see my work to apply artificial intelligence everywhere. You see bustling business and flowing resources. But you don't need to see my work in big data mining and applications. You see stable production and increasing benefits. But you don't need to see my continuous surveillance and precise automation with machine vision. You see smooth traffic and safe travel. But you don't need to see my smart dispatch operations and traffic management. You see a safe city and an orderly society. But you don't need to see my 3D Skynet and uninterrupted protection. You don't have to care who I am. You don't need to know my diversified offerings in audio, visual, smart, and control applications, and my comprehensive solutions for consumers, verticals, and smart cities. You don't need to know my technological innovations or my leadership capabilities in breakthrough technologies. You don't need to know my pursuit of craftsmanship and my comprehensive and refined supply chain management system. You don't need to know my global sales and service network and my world-renowned achievements. You only need to rest assured that I will be by your side, anytime, anywhere. Believe in the future. Believe in my contribution. Dahua Technology.